Hello students. So today we are going to discuss examples of zero order reaction. Zero order reactions are not common, remember. Very few examples can be discussed which obey zero order rate law. So the zero order reactions are those reactions which are independent of concentration of reactant. So very first thing to be noted is these reactions are independent of concentration of reactant. And second most important thing is these reactions proceed with the same rate throughout. So this is another thing to be noted, that these reactions proceed with same rate throughout. So these two things are the characteristic features of zero ordered reaction. So very few examples of zero order reaction can be discussed. Let's discuss a few of those. So very first and important example of zero order reaction is the decomposition of ammonia on surface of platinum. So this is one of the examples of zero ordered reaction. Now let's see what happens when ammonia is allowed to decompose on the hot platinum surface. So what happens when ammonia gas is tried to decompose over the platinum surface at high temperature of 1130 Kelvin approximately? Then ammonia tend to decompose into N2 and H2. Now what happens with this reaction? So remember, when we try to decompose ammonia on the hot platinum surface, then the NH3 first of all get adsorbed on platinum surface, and adsorbed ammonia react only. This is the key point. So definitely platinum catalyzes the reaction, and whatever ammonia get adsorbed on the surface of platinum, that only undergo decomposition. Now the thing is, when we allow certain ammonia to decompose, then the adsorbed ammonia only react, and when we compare the amount of ammonia adsorbed on the surface of platinum with the ammonia present in the assembly, remember rest of the ammonia is in the gas phase in the assembly, and when we compare the concentration of NH3 reacting and the concentration of NH3 present in the assembly, then we come to know that the no net considerable change has occurred as far as concentration of ammonia is concerned throughout. So whatever the gas phase ammonia, remember the remaining ammonia is in gas phase, and very importantly the ammonia undergoing decomposition is very less in amount when compared with the total amount of NH3 subjected, remember. So NH3 gas undergoing decomposition is very less as compared to the total ammonia concentration. Thus, in single word, one can say that the rate of reaction is independent of the concentration of the ammonia taken. Why? Because practically the concentration of ammonia remain unaltered. Thus, the rate of this reaction doesn't depend on the concentration of ammonia, and hence it is zero ordered reaction. So what? So rate of reaction is independent of concentration of NH3, hence it is zero order reaction. So it is very important example of zero order reaction. Now let's discuss second example of it, is the decomposition. Second example is decomposition of nitrous oxide, that is N2O gas, on platinum surface. It is another example of zero ordered reaction. So let's see what happens when nitrous oxide is allowed for decomposition. So when nitrous oxide is heated in presence of platinum catalyst, then it prefer to undergo decomposition, giving N2 gas and O2 gas. So as far as this decomposition is concerned, it is same as that of the decomposition of ammonia. So what happens? The part of nitrous oxide gas is adsorbed on platinum catalyst, and remember only adsorbed gas react. So adsorbed nitrous oxide undergo decomposition. Now the whatever nitrous oxide is present in assembly which is not decomposed, that remain in gas phase first of all. So remaining nitrous oxide is in gas phase, and the adsorbed nitrous oxide, I mean concentration of adsorbed nitrous oxide is very, very low as compared to the total nitrous oxide in the assembly. So remember, N2O adsorbed is very less in concentration than the total N2O present. So practically the rate of reaction is independent of the concentration of nitrous oxide, and hence it is zero ordered reaction, remember. So practically rate of reaction is independent of concentration of N2O. Thus reaction is zero ordered. So these are the examples of zero ordered reaction. Thank you very much.